Cautionary tale you'll hear only on 2. Sexual assault and abuse allegations against a national company hit close to home for many across the country. Tonight, for the first time, 2 Works For You reporter Ashley Holt sits down with an Oklahoma woman who took the massage envy chain to court.
We sat on her couch to rehash a story she's told less than a handful of times.
I've lived in some fear for quite some time.
Because this Oklahoma woman, who we respect, wants to stay anonymous, says warning others is more important than her apprehension.
180 women cried out for help and were turned away.
She was stunned reading stories just like hers.
When I read it, I literally dropped to my knees.
And remembers a time, almost 5 years ago, when a massage envy door was closed and her eyes opened.
He just became very sexual, very touchy, wanted me to touch myself. I was like, no, and kept thinking, oh my gosh.
She had been a member of the chain for a year.
The next thing I know, he had put me in some type of wrestling hold that I didn't know if you pulled out of that it would hurt you badly. He dislocated my shoulder.
She was terrified and in excruciating pain.
I started to cry and get a little hysterical. He stopped the massage and left the room. I got dressed and left.
Court documents suggest there are 2 cases reported here at Oklahoma City's Southside location. Our woman telling us she's positive that 2 is far less than the amount that have actually taken place, both here and elsewhere.
I called and explained what happened. They said they would call me back, and they never did.
In a statement, the chain calls the accusations against it heartbreaking and claims it has policies requiring all of its spas investigate allegations and fire employees when necessary.
They did nothing to protect the women that were paying them.
Now she says she refuses to live in fear and allow her predator to hide in her silence.
If one person makes a different decision and this keeps them from going through the same thing, then this has been a success.
Ashley Holt, 2 Works For You.
Now, Massage Envy confirmed the man accused of abusing this and another woman no longer works for the company. Today, the CEO came forward with actions the company has and will take to protect its clients. You can find that on KJRH.com.